on right now.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna go.
Do you want me to zoom in or no?
No, you don't need to zoom in. You can just let it play normal. You can follow along with it. You don't have. No, actually, you don't. Whatever way you want to do it, Kyle. You're the photographer. You can walk with it. You don't have to, or you can stand up and just film it downward. Doesn't have to be all waterline. I got plenty of waterline. Oh, here we go again. The aircraft. Send up the fighters. Whoop! Good turn. I got fooled up then because I was using the right stick to turn, and it wasn't turning. I was like, oh. There we go. This thing is fun. I'll admit, it's fun. I'm really enjoying it.
She looks great.
I'm going to try to do a gradual turn. Look at the flag. See, that's the wind coming across the flight deck, and the flags tell me what way. See the little Chinese people that are talking to me, right?
Hmm.
I was like, yeah, say hi to Godzilla. You know that.
Is that what you said?
You know what would be fun? You know those RC crocodile heads?
Mm-hmm.
Have one following the carrier. Make it look like it's Godzilla. Or just a shark fin.
I seen someone made a resin model kit, and they put Titanic in the water and made it resin, but then they had Godzilla swimming towards the Titanic.
Nice.
So I guess what they were